भर दो झोली आका जी, भर दो झोली नबी जी, भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली. It is based on a very, very old traditional qawwali, and then Preetham composed on it, and उसमें उन्होंने अपनी जिद्दत उसमें शामिल की. तो that is what it is.
Lots of firsts. ऐश मुकाम दरगाह में पहले कभी शूटिंग नहीं हुई है, लेकिन इतनी खूबसूरत लोकेशन है, इतना खूबसूरत दरगाह है वो कि जब हम वहाँ गए, I knew that this is the right location for us to shoot this very, very significant portion of the film. तो हमने उनसे बात करी, और कश्मीर में वैसे भी everybody was very helpful and cooperative, and they more than welcomed us to shoot over there. Then yes, we seeing Adnan for the first time perform his song on screen. That was very important for us because जो ट्रैक है वो एक बहुत ही मूविंग ट्रैक है, और एक फिल्म में भी एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट पे आता है. तो हम ऐसी एक शख्सियत चाहते थे जो इट्स नॉट ओनली अ वॉइस बट ऑल्सो फेस. वी वांटेड द क्रेडिबिलिटी ऑफ अ गुड मैन सिंगिंग दैट सॉन्ग, एंड सो Adnan was a unanimous choice, and I think you will enjoy the song even more when you see it in the narrative of the film.
देखिए, जो प्लॉट है, जो सेटिंग है वो कश्मीर में है, और फिर जो वहाँ पर जिस तरह का लिबास पहना जाता है, और ख़ास तौर पे ये मद्देनज़र रखते हुए कि एक दरगाह में ये पिक्चराइज़ किया जा रहा है, तो उसी के हिसाब से जो स्टाइलिंग थी वो अपनाई गई थी, और उसी हिसाब से हमने उसको पेश किया था.
Good afternoon.
You see, if one thing that I've always tried to avoid doing is emulating anybody. And even though it's the first time that I've sung a qawwali, I wanted to find my own space and my own identity in it. I have, of course, listened to an innumerable amount of qawwals throughout my life and admired all of them. And they're phenomenal. But the point was that if, and I think I can safely say from Salman's perspective and Kabir's perspective, that if they had in their mind thought that they wanted my voice, then they wanted me to bring in a certain element of my own. So I brought in my own element. I found my own space. I've never done a qawwali before, so it was a challenge. But I'm very happy with the experience. And of course, at the end of the day, being classically trained in Indian classical music, becoming a qawwal in the picturization itself was it was different for me, and yet I was, music is music at the end of the day.
We'll be sort of giving you a song by and by. Every 4-5 days, every week, one song will keep coming out. So I think just wait and watch. Yeah. I find it very pompous for a filmmaker to say there's a social message. There is something that in the film that we're dealing with, and it is essentially a nice, engaging, entertaining film. And at the end of the film, if some people take away a message from it, great. They probably will enjoy the film even more. But I cannot really articulate and say this is the message of the film, because ultimately it's for the audience to take away from the film. And if they don't take it away, then that's my failing as a director.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.